Hi, I'm Connie Gellner, owner of your local Stanley Steemer. I started working and helping manage our family-owned franchise alongside my husband, Mark, shortly after our marriage in 2001. I started what our company now recognizes as the Steem team. It's an internal organization of employees who volunteer their time and give back to the communities we serve. I love coordinating all of our community involvement, special events, and charity work.
Stanley Steemer has been a huge contributor to the Toys for Tots Foundation for over 17 years. I think it's important that we have businesses like Stanley Steemer participate in the Toys for Tots. With every toy dollar donated by a local business, it goes directly to support the families and children in need in those communities that they serve.
So we have been working with Connie and Mark at Stanley Steemer for about 5 years through 9 Family Connection. We're out at events all the time and doing good things in the community and just giving back.
It has been a pleasure working for a company that has integrity.
For us, it's the heart of what we do, and I know it's the same with Stanley Steemer. We have a lot of the same values, and just our communities are important to us.
Hi, I'm Michelle Stevens. I'm the Community Affairs Director here at WFTV Channel 9, and 9 Family Connection is our community outreach initiative. And Stanley Steemer has been one of our incredible partners for over 17 years. We could not do what we do in the community without partners like Stanley Steemer.
When you talk about community partners, Stanley Steemer leads the pack.